एक क्वेश्चन और आंसर खाता खुल गया खाता तो पड़ाला आजने को 2 एंड आजने को बोथ 2 और 3 तर कईटा आंसर हो फाइनल आंसर x equal to 2 or 3 this is a quadratic equation the quadratic equation solved by this formula is two types of formula first formula is anyone जे 2 3 वैल्यू बाहर करते पहले से केमती बाहर करते के फार्मूला रे कोडे बाहर करछो आंसर को म्हणजे x रे वैल्यू 2 3 बाहर करते को फार्मूला रे तो आंसर कौन रही बाहर करते पर वैल्यू 2 और 3 आंसर को माने देखो प्रोडक्ट करने होतो 6 सम करने होतो -5 बुझी होते ताने x स्क्वायर -2x -3x plus 6 that equal to that 0 that means 2 -2 and -3 is -5 and -2 and -3 is plus 6 simplify it x into x minus 2 minus of 3 x minus 2 that equal to 0 then x equal to 2 and another formula is quadratic formula is x is find out minus b plus minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a. This is another formula. Either this formula or this formula. और जो formula वैल्यू बाहर करो x से वैल्यू 2 and 3 आएगा. बुझिएला? ना बुझी पारलानी? x रे वैल्यू कम 2 आउट बस गुड देन नेक्स्ट पढ़िबा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर और नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वेन डायग्राम और सेट ऑपरेशन नेक्स्ट डी मॉर्गन लॉ एंड चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट देन फर्स्ट लॉजिक हमें सेट ऑपरेशन पढ़िबा हमने दीटा ऑपरेशन अछि ओटे मैथमेटिकली लॉजिक ऑपरेशन कौन लॉजिक ऑपरेशन देखो So mathematically logic operation means suppose यार गंजा आसिले रे के गंजा पाखरे बस के पाठ पढ़ते ना कोन बे 2 plus 3 this value is 2 sum 3 that equal to 2 plus 3 equal to केते हो सेटा कोई बननो भाती की कहू जमा बे 2 minus 3 good 2 into 3 6 4 divide 2 ये साउंड ऑन करछबे फैन शब्द कुकुड़ा शब्द सब आसु देखो द मैथमेटिकली लॉजिक ऑपरेशन मीन दिस इज एडिशन दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिस इज सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड डिविजन दिस फोर ऑपरेशन इज कॉल्ड एज मैथमेटिकली लॉजिक ऑपरेशन such as addition subtraction multiplication and division. These four operations is called as mathematically logic operation. Similarly, this content is or chapter is discuss about the set operation. How many number of operations present in a set? लिख लो इटा मैथमेटिकली लॉजिक ऑपरेशन कौन हबो देख लो एडिशन subtraction multiplication and division. This four operation is called as mathematically logic operation. Complete. Yes or no? Good. Good. This Venn diagram heading lekho. First what is set operation? How many number of operations are present in a set? How many number of operations present in a set? There are 5 set operations. There are 5. There are 5 set operations. Such as first union, then second is intersection, third is difference, fourth operation is symmetric difference, and last operation fifth is completion, symmetric difference, and the last operation is completion. There are 5 set operations present in a set, such as union, then second is intersection, then third is difference, fourth is symmetric difference, and fifth is last is completion. The 5 operations are complete, then this 5 operations step by step will be discussed. Complete. Then first I will discuss is what is Venn diagram and universal set. Then next proceed to union. First heading Venn diagram or first what is Venn diagram. Then next is universal. Then next union. What is Venn diagram? The circle diagram you it is definition. Union. Venn diagram definition hoji the Venn diagram is total universal set means total set. These are rectangular, the rectangular set contained in a Venn diagram. This called the rectangular set is called universal set. This is denoted by E or U. And Venn diagram means this is Venn diagram is represented is a circle form. This is circle form. The circle from this ball is covered by rectangular. The rectangular is set in universal set. The boundary or inside the circle present in a set is called a Venn diagram. Two definitions. First, universal set, total set, and this contain this present in circle. This called as Venn diagram. আগে ডায়াগ্রামটা করে দিই। এটা লেখো ইউনিভার্সাল সেট। তার ডেফিনেশন লেখো। আগে ডায়াগ্রামটা করে দিই। This is universal set, this is Venn diagram. Then next definition, what is universal set? Then this definition, next definition is Venn diagram. The diagram is complete. Right. দেখালা না এটা এটা ইউনিভার্সাল সেট দেখালা না যে ন দেখাতে পড়ছে চললা ডায়াগ্রাম কমপ্লিট ডায়াগ্রাম কমপ্লিট এটা পরিমাণ এটা না এটা E or U. This called as universal set. This is circle is represent for Venn diagram. Our definition লেখা যাও, what is Venn diagram, what is universal set. Complete all diagram. Then definition universal set heading write down. মনে ভাই সাউন্ড কে অন করছি গাড়ি শব্দ শুনছো ইউনিভার্সাল সেট heading universal set if all set under consideration if all sets under consideration are subset of universal set U or E. U or E. The U is called universal set. The U is called universal set. I can repeat. If all sets under consideration are subset of universal set U or E, then U is called universal set. Complete. U or E. The U is called universal set. Total set. U माने हमें universal set को U रे डिनोटेट करि परिया और E रे डिनोटेट करि परिया जा जेटा लिख परिया बुझि परला मु लाइछि U तमे लिखि परिबो E लिखि परिबो किछि प्रॉब्लम नै आमे नोटेशन ले ताको डिनोटेट करिया बुझियला केटी लिखाई थिबो बी भी लिखाई थिबो टोटल सेट बुझि पारलो हमर बही रो अछि ई और यू लिखाई कंप्लीट कौन गाइस देन नेक्स्ट हेडिंग वेन डायग्राम फर्स्ट इज वेन डायग्राम डायग्राम रे जे बुझी पारि थिबो एटर किछि डाउट नै फर्स्ट हमें डायग्राम रो कांसेप्ट बुझिया देखो हेडिंग द वेन डायग्राम द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन between टा केमते लिखा देखो जानते केमते लिखा जाय ना जाने रे between जाने ना धन्नो जानते रे लिख पूरा लैंग्वेज लिख कौन बे देख ताकू देखाउ तो हमू देखाउ खाउ ना हैं जने को देखा जाउची जने को देखाउ देखो ई कौन है कौन कहलो हो छाड़ छाड़ द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन sets can be the relationship between sets can be better understand with the help of diagram with the help of diagrams. The diagrams are covered by inversial set. It is denoted by circle. The Venn diagram is denoted by circle form. This is Venn diagram. It is denoted by circle form. And then next union form. What is first operation? Set operation is union. Complete. This Venn diagram and inversial set are complete. Good. Then next heading. First operation union. What is union? Heading union. First, the set operation union is denoted by this form. U form. This is the symbol of union. Then the definition is The union of two sets A and B. The union of two sets A and B is a set whose elements belongs to whose elements belongs to either set A or either set A or set B or both set A and B or both set A and B. It is denoted by A set this form. It is union symbol. It is denoted by A union B. It is denoted by A union B. Then symbolically represented as A union B is represented as symbolically A union B is represented as A union B equal to the set element X such that X is the element X such that X is the element belongs to A, either X is element belongs to A or X is element belongs to B or X is element either X is element belongs to A or B or both A and B. This is symbolically represented as A union B. Then example. Theory complete है Then example देना तो बुझ कर A union B रखो देखो example suppose A set element 1 2 3 and B set element is 2 3 4 5 6 then A union B কেতে হবে কইলাম Height? Good. Either A union B is present in element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either A रही X के element A रही or B रही or both A and B रही. Then this union is represented by Venn diagram. Then diagram रे show करिबा A union B odious. Example complete है ना? Then Venn diagram. Then Venn diagram of A union B. set. Input shell set E. This is A set. This is base. Then A union B is A set. This is B set. Then total A union B is this set. Then example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this element is 1, either array type or 2 type or 3 type or 5, 6. डायग्राम खेला
अच्छा किया सर तुम
ये ऑन करछि रे जदी कथा कहबार अछि म्यूट करी कथा हो ना प्रॉब्लम होछि वीडियो क्लियर आसीबनी साउंड भी क्लियर आसीबनी नॉट विजिबल ऑडियो एंड वीडियो देन प्रॉब्लम is कंप्लीट ला next good then heading next intersection again is intersection intersection operation the said operation is denoted by the reverse of union. It means this A intersection B. Then heading is the intersection of two sets the intersection of two sets set A and set B. Intersection of two sets set A and B is a set whose elements present in both A and B. Whose elements present in or belongs to both A and B. Both A and B. It is denoted by symbolically. It is denoted by A intersection B. Then the symbolically represented is A intersection B represented as A intersection B represented as X shows that X is an element. X shows that X is an element. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. A intersection B equal to X such that element is X is element such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Then next example. This is A intersection B is represented as specified as Venn diagram. Theory complete?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then example. Suppose A is element, the set element is 1, 2, 3. B set element 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. Then find out what is A intersection B. Anyone answer? Good answer. 2, 3. Good answer. This element is represented as Venn diagram. Complete. Then diagram. Good. Next is Venn diagram. Using A intersection B. Total side is
बोला सर.
E set. This is invertial set. And this is A set. This is B set. Then A intersection B or AM that equal to 2, 3. Complete. Yes or no? A difference B or B difference A? Then heading difference. डिफरेंस को डिनोटेड करा जाए मैथमेटिकली सिंबल है और सेट ऑपरेशन लो आइदर लिखाई तो दिस सिंबल और दिस सिंबल देन हेडिंग लेट A and B be two sets let A and B be two sets let A and B be two sets A difference B first find out A difference B A difference B is a set of all elements is a set of all elements of A which is does not belongs to which is do not belongs to set B. Let A and B two set. A difference B is a set of all elements of set A which do not belongs to set B. Then it is denoted by A difference B. Then the symbolically represented as then the symbolically represented as A difference B symbolically represented as A difference B equal to X such that X is an element belongs to A X such that X is an element belongs to A and X does not belong to B. This is symbolically represented as. Then this is example. Then Venn diagram. A difference B equal to X such that X is an element belongs to A and X is an element does not belongs to B. Then next example. Complete. Good. Then next example. A difference B. Then તમે લખો definition B difference A કોણ? A difference A B લખી और B difference A. देखो एग्जांपल A set element 1 2 3. Then B set element 2 4. Then find out A difference B. Then what is find out this element? Good answer. Then X good element belongs to A, but X is element does not belongs to B. Then this element is above this element is 1 and 3. This is the Venn diagram will be represented as complete. Example complete. Then Venn diagram. कौन को જોઈએ अगर आइडिया का डायग्राम देखो तो आप पता नहीं पड़ो डिस्कशन करो नहीं देखो the A difference B this part that means this example is 1 this is A difference B. Then next find out next heading. Then find out B difference A. The definition is anyone? कौन है वो? कौन बोलते? B difference A कहता हो? Good answer. Good. मैं बुझी बात नहीं होती को. B difference है वो good. Then next heading symmetric difference. Symmetric difference complete. This Venn diagram is complete. Yes or no? Good. Next heading what? Symmetric difference. The symbol is denoted by this one. Triangle. The symbol is this forming triangle form. This is symmetric difference symbol. Then definition is let A and B let A and B be two sets. Let A and B be two sets. Then A symmetrically difference to B. It is denoted by A. The set A symmetric difference set B symmetric difference set B is denoted by this form. Asymmetric difference B and is defined by and is defined by this form. Asymmetric difference B such that equal to x such that x is element A difference B or x element belongs to difference A. Then this form is finally represented as either this form like or A difference B. That means A difference B union of B difference A. First find out A difference B, then next find out B difference A, then total set is union form. This is symmetric difference. Complete. Then diagram represented. Add symmetric difference B. Good. Then Venn diagram. Then next example. Example देखो तो diagram लिखो. देखो example 0 A set element like A set element is 0 1 2. Then B set element is 1 2 3 4. Then find out A difference B. देखिए के कर परियो ना
0 3 4.
गुड आंसर परफेक्ट आंसर 0 3 4 बुझियला ना नहीं फर्स्ट फाइंड करियो A डिफरेंस B देन नेक्स्ट फाइंड करियो B डिफरेंस A देन नेक्स्ट फाइंड A डिफरेंस B यूनियन B डिफरेंस A. This is 0 3 4. Then the asymmetric difference B, the Venn diagram is represented as this form. Total set input set E. This is A set. This is B set. Asymmetric difference B. This form. This is A difference B. This is B difference A. This is 0 3 4. 0 3 4. Complete. Then next last operation set operation is complementation. 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 M-A. This is symbolically represented as this form. C लिखा है तुम और इधर लिखा है this form. A complement और M लिखा है. This is complement. This symbol. Either this form, either this form. This is complement symbol.
It is.
Then definition. Let set A. Let पढ़िबो सेट है लेखिलारो लेखियो खाली बुझी बाजो लेखियोनी सेट है मु लेखुछु डाकुची सेट है लेखुची कोन ए लैंग्वेज रे पढ़िबो कोन दि लेट सेट है पूरा लेखियोनी सेट ए बुझी बाला एटा मैथमेटिकली एटा इंग्लिश पढ़ा हम जे लेखिरा लेट सेट ए बुझी बाजो ना बुझबेन न तमे डाउट करतो सर कहउछोती लेट सेट लेखुछोती खाली बुझी पारछ ना नहीं हां मैथमेटिक्स रे एबा लेखा जाय पूरा शॉर्टकट लेखा जाय लेखा पढिबा गुटे लेखिबा गुटे लेट सेट ए be a subset of be a subset of universal set E. Universal set E. This universal set E, the complement of universal set E, the complement of universal set E is denoted by set A is denoted by a complement or this form, either this form or this form. Denoted by a complement or a dash. And completing a complement and a complement is the set of all element in E, all element in universal set E, but not in S, not in S. Then this is the example that's represented by Venn diagram. Complete. Good. Then example. Then symbolically represented as a dash or a complement such that X belongs to universal set E. X belongs to universal set E. This condition is X does not belong to A. This condition is X does not belong to A set. This is difference. Total set suppose A, total set B. Then A difference B. And X put element E rochi and X put element A element. देखो example देने बुझ परियो. Example. Suppose E set is total set. Total set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A set is 1, 2, 3. Then find out A complement. Find करो A complement में दो. कितना बारे? गुड लॉजिक. मैं लॉजिक तो पूरा क्लियर रखो. 4, 5. Good answer. This is represented by Venn diagram. Venn diagram. This is total set. This is A set. Then A complement कितना हो? बुझेला ऑपरेशन बुझेला ना सेट ऑपरेशन हैं फास्ट एटा कांसेप्ट तापर हम सब प्रॉपर्टी अछि लॉ ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सेट थ्योरी डिफरेंट टाइप रे अछि तो इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन আছে डी मॉर्गन लॉ हम सब प्रॉपर्टी नेक्स्ट पढिबा एति पढाला नेक्स्ट क्लास पढी के से पचारिम सब पूरा ऑपरेशन क्लियर हो एई ऑपरेशन को यूज है कि एक चैप्टर टा कंप्लीट ए ऑपरेशन ये जे पांचटा ऑपरेशन जे कांसेप्ट क्लियर प्रॉब्लम नॉट डाउट बुझियला ना नहीं एई सब सिमेट्रिकली difference complement union intersection this five operation is used in this chapter ए कॉम्प्लीमेंशन ए जे हमर मेथड जे ऑपरेशन न बुझ पाइयो नहीं बुझ पाइयो एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम बुझियो नहीं ना बुझियला नहीं रे पढ़ी के आसीबो जहाँ जे दिन पढ़ा हो सब पढ़ी के आसो बुझि पारलो हां नेक्स्ट क्लास पढ़िबा